I always saw play as kind of like bringing my interests that were part of what I did from a work perspective, but bringing them into my workspace, and that could be art, could be music, could be dance, could be literature, could be any of the humanities, so to speak. Um,
Mm,
those were always my interests, and having a theater background, and being able to bring that into a marketing job and bringing it into an events job was kind of a great way to integrate play and work, because um, it was something that I actually always advised the people that I worked with, in terms of, don't get so tunnel visioned into, kind of just this project, and, what it is that it looks like on paper. Kind of think about, what other elements of your life could you bring into this project, and make it playful.